Hey, it's Matthew Bernier here. I wanted to show you something really cool I've been working on. I have Tave, and one of the things that frustrates me more than anything is when a customer doesn't use my lead form and instead they send me an email asking for a quote with all this information. That means I have to go into Tave, manually create that lead, and fill out all of their information before I can actually generate a quote and send it their way. It's a bit time consuming and it gets quite frustrating. So I've come up with an alternative. I can simply take the lead that's emailed me and I can forward it to my Tave forwarding address and hit send. I don't have to do anything special. I don't have to format the data. I don't have to tell it anything other than where to go. So I'm going to give that a second. You can see the message is sent. We're going to go back into Tave and let this sit just a few seconds so Gmail can get that message out the door. And if I go ahead and refresh here, you'll see that new lead came through. I'm just going to click into that event. And voila, there we go. We have my name, email, phone number. It even gave me a breakdown of what this email was about and the full email text for context so that I can create the quote from here without having to go back to my email. So essentially, I'm done with the email. I've processed that. Now I can actually just go through my normal Tave workflow for the day and create the quote based on this. Now, something really cool that you might have noticed here is in the original email from the client in this case, they mentioned the date of their event and that it was in Brooklyn, among some other things. As you can see, it's actually chose the nearest location based on custom fields that we have in Tave, in this case, New York, in addition to automations in Tave, which marked it as an out-of-state event, and was also able to get the date of the event and the exact job type based on jobs that we have in Tave. Now, this is a completely custom setup for my company, but if this is something you'd like to have for your company, just send me a message and let me know. I don't know about you, but this is going to save me probably 3 to 5 hours every single month, and I'm excited to use this.